Good afternoon, this is Sean with Trenchless Pipelining, and we are looking at the kitchen line on 2870 Southwest 106th Street here in Coral Springs, Florida. You're looking at the end of the liner, and we're going to start pulling it back. This is still the main line. Now we're turning. We've just entered the kitchen line. I've looked at it. There's a whole lot of debris in here, so I can't. Don't worry about that right now. So I can't see the bottom too well, but it's looking pretty solid. It's got a lot of scale, ton of scale, ton of debris from rust falling off the roof of the pipe and stuff. Can't you just leave it the fuck alone? Thank you. Alright, now we turned out of the 3-inch line and we turned into the 2-inch line that's dedicated strictly for the kitchen. That 3-inch line, I hear that there was a bathroom on the pool side, a pool bath, so that probably continues on over there. But now we are looking at the kitchen line. Again, there's a lot of debris. I don't see any holes yet, so the pipe's savable. Now we're pulling vertically. We went through the 90, we're pulling vertically, and we're about to come up to the roof. Alright, and here we are at the roof. Again, this is Sean with Trenchless Pipelining. That was the kitchen line that goes across the house, and this is 2870 Southwest 106th Street in Coral Springs, Florida.